Tired of being overweight? Maybe you've tried exercise, shakes, over-the-counter and prescription drugs, or even those nasty-tasting prepackaged meals. But no matter what you've done, the scale goes up instead of going down. There's a better way. What would you think if I told you that most people lose 20 to 35 pounds in just 6 weeks? There are no shakes, no exercises needed, and it doesn't require the use of drugs. It simply uses real food from the grocery store and is completely doctor-supervised. Introducing the doctor-supervised ChiroThin Weight Loss Program. With the ChiroThin program, you can expect weight loss that is fast, safe, and affordable. Are you interested? Do you have questions? To find a ChiroThin office near you, enter your zip code below or speak to your local chiropractor. You can also visit us at our website at ChiroThinWeightLoss.com today.